Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 4th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the dollar yen, I still think it looks like a very clear five waves up, and I also think this last sets in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is also very, very clear. I'm still not convinced that this uptrend is over. I still think this actually is going to go up to either the 78 or the 100% Fibonacci extension before it really does make a bigger, more significant move to the downside, especially when you look at other yen pairs. Going down to the weekly time frame, we definitely got a pretty solid turn down. I still actually think this is the end of a wave 4 and that this is a 1, 2, 3. So maybe this is actually making an ABC of 4, which would be a completely normal looking pattern. Then it's going to make its way out to the 78 or the 100% Fibonacci extension for the wave 5, a 5 of wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely a pretty significant turn down. I would consider this move down right here, even though it's kind of overlapping a five-way pattern. This definitely looks like three waves up with impulsive down, so probably is a wave B. Probably is pretty likely to be going down now for a wave C. The 100% or the 78.6 I think might be a more likely target for the end of this correction. Probably the end of a wave 4 and another entry to go long for the wave 5. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the yen pairs, you do have to be very cautious about sorting it because I totally agree that this looks like it's gonna go down and make a wave C. But with the yen pairs, you have to be very cautious because it could always continue the uptrend literally at any moment. You have to remember that these yen pairs are in an extremely strong uptrend on all the much higher time frames. So this is definitely a possibility that you need to be aware of and keep in mind. But based on the daily time frame, it looks like this is more likely a 1, 2, 3, and that this is more likely going to start a downtrend for a 3, a 4, and a wave 5 of wave C, probably going down to at least that 78% Fibonacci extension that I was showing on the daily time frame. So going down to the 1 hour time frame with all that information in mind, what am I doing? I'm patiently waiting for more pullbacks, just like this one back here. 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves up. I'm waiting for another 1, 2, 3 wave pullback, another ABC correction to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. Until the higher time frames, like the 4 hour and daily, tell me otherwise, I am gonna be going short at the end of every pullback I see, cautiously, like I said, because the yen could continue the uptrend at really at any time. But until then, I will continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.